Today we're going to review the resources available at fulham.com, which include spec sheets, installation instructions, literature, videos, warranty claim and other useful information. To access specs, either find their links on individual product pages or go to the specs main menu option. Once on the specs page, either search by part number or use the expandable area to find the item you need. Our literature library contains full catalogs and dedicated brochures about specific products or applications. There are anchor links across the top of the screen to jump directly down to your topic of interest. Want custom LED module design? Go to the LED modules product area and click on the banner you see here. Need rapid custom development of power supplies? Fulham can modify existing programs or rapidly develop new ones for you. Our online videos include featured product overviews, plus tutorials about how to install or commission products. Other support pages include forms for warranty support, technical assistance, or to contact your nearest regional sales manager. You can also book meetings through their online calendars. If you have any questions, contact us anytime. And if you are not already following us on LinkedIn, please do so to never miss an update.